Okay? It's been about 10 days since the mother bird has been sitting on her eggs. It's raining really hard. I'm going to go see what the mother bird is doing in her nest because it's not really a tree. Let's see. Oh, she's sitting there and she's getting all wet. Let's see her. Oh, she's a good mother bird sitting on her nest. Let's see. Oh, I left all my deck cushions out in the rain. Oh boy. Alright, we're going to take this, put it over her. Maybe keep her. Oh, she flew away. I scared her. So maybe that'll keep her a little dry. Let's see her egg. Alright, come back, mother bird. I'm leaving. I just wanted to keep you dry. Alright. Oh, look, somebody's in the window. Hi. Who's in the window? Good morning, Sarah. I'm just checking on the baby bird. I'm coming in now. Bye.